Yes, so
Wait.
how are you?
Oh, yes, I'm good.
Okay, so today we will do the summer coding coloring division as well. So
Oh,
first question is this one. Simplify the expression below. Okay, we need to simplify this expression. So let me name it first. Okay. Yes. This is summer coloring and page number one, obviously. Question number one.
oh yes.
So question is simplify the expression below. 16 plus bracket 11 minus 3 square and then dot the multiplication by 5. Can you simplify it? Do you remember the rule or method by which we simplify these expressions? Do you remember the name? There is a word for that. Remember it or not?
Simplified expression. Okay, let me see.
Yes, it starts from the word P. Can you remember what is that word?
Oh,
Yes, I
P.
think
Okay.
you will remember. I think you will be able to answer.
Wait, let me see. Um. Okay. Wait. Yes. I was turning on camera. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you should know it. I think
Oh,
you
PEMDAS.
yes,
It's
very
called
good.
PEMDAS. Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
Excellent. Excellent. Yes.
Oh yes.
PEMDAS. So you will name PEMDAS here. Okay. Use should always remember it. Okay.
Okay.
So what does it mean that while simplifying these type of expressions, you will follow this you know this this rule and in the ascending order. First of all, P E M D E S. P stands for parentheses. Okay.
Okay.
P stands for parentheses. Stands for exponents. Okay.
Okay.
M stands for multiplication. E stands for division. A stands for tell me.
Wait. So the simplified expression below. Okay. 16 plus 11
Okay.
minus
No.
3 squared.
Yes.
Time. Oh yes. Times
Now you
7.
will tell
Yes.
me what to
So
do here. What we solve for? Tell me.
PEMDAS. Okay.
Yes. We will first of all see the parentheses, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me how to solve it?
Parentheses equals parentheses p. Wait. Okay. So parentheses. Okay. We'll multiply the numbers inside the parentheses.
Yes, there is 11 minus 3 squared. Okay. So we will first of all, uh, while solving this question, we will see the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule states that first of all you need to solve parentheses. We will see parentheses. Okay. Inside the parentheses we have 11 minus 3 square. Okay. So we need to solve it, but we can't subtract 3 square from 11. So for that, first of all, we need to square it, and also exponent comes after that parentheses. Okay, so first of all we need to do the parentheses, then we need to see the exponent. There is exponent, we will solve it. Okay, 3 square, so 16 plus 11 minus 3 square equals to 9. Okay, 11
Okay.
minus 9 multiplied by 5. So we solve this parentheses first. 16 plus 11 minus 9 equals, yes, tell me, that is 2, and that is multiplication by 5. Now which step you will follow solve first? You will add it first or you will multiply first?
What did
By
you
seeing
do
the,
right? No, wait. What did you do 11 minus 3 squared in the
yes,
parentheses?
yes,
Okay.
3 square
Okay.
equals to 9, isn't it?
Yes. So
Okay. And 11 minus 9 equals to 2. Now it will be multiplied by 5. Now you
wait,
need to tell which
can you wait,
step
please?
you will do
Okay.
first. Okay.
Is that parentheses 11 minus 3 squared? Hello?
Yes, this was the original question. Okay. 11 minus 3 square. This one.
Okay.
Okay.
I typed right now and I got 2.
Yes. So 11 minus 9, that is 2, and now 11, 16 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Now tell me whether you will add 16 plus 2 first or you multiply 2 by 5. You need to see the rules here. What does the rule say? Tell me.
16 plus 2 times 5. Okay. It says multiplied, so let me see.
Yes. Yes, you
Wait,
are right.
so no, can you wait? So exponents, the division, yeah, multiplication. So you need to multiply 2 times 5, yes.
Yes, very good. Because multiplication comes first and then division and then addition after. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. Okay. That's 16. And 16 plus 10 obviously equal to 26, isn't it?
Yes.
And 26 is this one light blue color. So this is your right answer. Okay.
Okay.
You can write it.
So these type of problems you use PEMDAS?
Yes.
Okay, can you write a little note here so I remember? Small note that for these type of problems you use this method. Yes. Okay, so
For this type of expression, you will use the method of PEMDAS to solve. Okay. Clear?
okay.
Yes, you can snip it and we can move forward to the third question. Done?
Okay.
So this was our first question. Right answer is 26. So second question is this one. Okay.
Yes, for these type of problems I'll just use this.
Yes. Okay. Second question. So we read page number 1, question number 2. So evaluate the expression below if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 9. You need to insert the values of m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 9 in this expression. Okay. Yes. So for that, what we will do, we will simply write this equation 1 by 9 m. What is the value of m here? It is 3, isn't it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, value of m is 3. So 3 cube plus 3 into n. What is n here? N is 9. Okay. 9 square minus 15. So can you simplify it? So what will be this one, the value within this parenthesis? Tell me. Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, I directly solved it, her. So it's 3. No, it's yes. Can you do it?
Yes. 3
Okay.
cube means that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. That is
Okay.
3 multiplied by 3 9. 9 multiplied by 3 27. Isn't it?
Okay.
Plus 3. Then 9 square means 81. Okay. 9 multiplied by 9. 81 minus 15. And 1 by 9. 27 plus 3, that is 30. Okay.
Okay.
81 minus 15, that will equal to 66. Okay.
Okay.
Now you need to multiply them. 30 multiplied by 66. How many? Tell me.
Um.
So you can just simplify it. 3 3 are 3 10 are
So
30.
1980. Yes.
Okay. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are. So that will be equal to 10 multiplied by 2 22. That will be equal to 220. Okay. So this is your right answer. Default. Yellow. Clear?
Okay. I already solved it. Yes. 220.
Okay, very good. So should I move forward to the next question?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I have a question. One more thing. Um.
Yes.
Yes. Were you asking what is 30 times 66? You just have to just use the calculator. I don't know why you solved it hand-based. Okay. Yes.
Okay, no problem. You can use it, but you also know you should know how to do it by hand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. This one. You have page number from question number 3.
Can you open up okay. Can you open up the previous question?
Okay. Yes.
Can you go to the next question?
Question number 3. The average
Okay.
price of a gallon of gas was $3.20 in 2015. Okay. 2014. And $2.40 in 2015. So what is the percent decrease in the price of gas? You need to tell the percent decrease in the price of gas. Okay. So first of all, you write the data here. price of a S in 2014 and price of gallon of gas is equal to $2.40. Okay. Hello? Are you
Yes.
there? Okay.
Yes.
So what is the percent decrease in the price of change? We need to tell them that what is the percent decrease, what is the change in the price of gas. So this in gas. Okay. Percent decrease. Okay. Just a minute, son.
Okay. Nice.
Okay. So there is a formula for that when we are trying to solve these questions. Okay. So what we'll do, your original price was like 3.2 and your new price is 2.40. So you are checking the decrease, percent decrease in the price of gas. So what is your reference? Your reference is this one, the original price, first one, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay. So with respect to this price, we will see the difference. So there is a formula for that. Percent decrease in price of gas is equal to yes. You write original price minus new price. Okay.
Okay.
Minus new divided by original or old, whatever you say, old price, original price. Okay.
Okay.
Price P. So original price is obviously
Can you
dollar ten.
can you pause right? Hold on. I need to catch up. Hold on. This pen is
Okay.
on.
Okay. Just tell me when it's ready.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Everything ready?
Almost. Yes. Okay. Yes. Percent decrease in price of gas equals. You know, minus.
Yes. You can write old price, original price. It's the same thing.
Original minus new price.
Yes. Divided by original price.
Okay.
Original price is $3.20.
Okay.
Minus new price. New price is obviously $2.40. Isn't it?
Okay.
2.4. Divided by original price. Again, that is $3.20. Okay. So 3.2 minus 2.4 equals 2.4
Okay.
equals 0.8, isn't it? 0.8 dollars divided by $3.20. $3.2. Yes. Simplify it and tell me what is the
I'm
answer.
doing it by calculator. Yes. Let me see. That's what it is. Use. I got what 0.25 cents.
Yes. You need to also, and we need to also multiply it by 100 because we need to give our answer in shape of percentage. Isn't it? In form of percentage. So
Yes.
0.25 multiplied by 100. Obviously, it will be equal
25%.
to 25%. Isn't it?
Okay.
25%. So it means that the previously price was $3.2 in 2014, and in 2015 price, you know, decreases by how much percent? 25%. Okay, but if the percent decrease in the price of gas, the percent decrease in the price of gas is 25%. Option D is the correct one. Okay.
Okay.
So we move forward to the next question. Question 4.
Let me snip. What? Okay.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir.
You need to go first.
Next. Okay, yes. You can go to
Okay.
next question. Yes.
Okay. Question number 4. Which list of numbers is ordered from least to greatest? Okay. So we need to observe what is the pattern. We can do this here. Which list of numbers is ordered from least to greatest? So first of it means that in the ascending order, the first numbers will be the obviously the least, then a bit more greater than more greater, and at the end the greatest. So you need to see the pattern which follows that. Okay.
Okay.
So see the question number 1, A part option. 125%. Okay. Then you have 1 2 by 5, then 8 by 5, then this. So in order to compare, you must have all of these values in the same form. Like just convert all of them into decimal. Okay. You can also tell me you know the answer. Okay. So first of all, see this A option. That is A 125%. 125% means 125 over 100. Isn't it?
Yes.
And it means that in decimal, yes, in decimal it is 1.25. Okay.
Okay.
So next number is
Oh, next number. Okay.
yes 7.
125 divided by 100 equals 1.25. Can you wait, please? I need to use the restroom. Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yes. Oh, wait.
okay. Just come.
Okay.
Let me just arrange this. By then these options. Okay, so that you can answer.
Okay. Wait. Can you actually just wait for me? I will be right back. You just do this one, but don't do pass. Otherwise, I might forget. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Are you back? Hello.
Yes, Harsh, I'm back. Okay, I'm ready.
So 125% equals 1.25 in decimal, and this is a mixed form. Okay, 1
Okay,
2 by
so
5.
what did you, can you explain what you did for 125%?
We simply convert it to decimal because the question is which list of numbers is ordered from least to greatest. We need to see the options in which it follows the this rule. So it means that the first number will be the least, the next number will be a bit more greater, and it will go like this, and the last number will be the greatest. So we need to see this. But how will you see it? Because some number in decimal, some number in percentage, some number in fraction, mixed form. So we need to convert them all in the same form. Okay, let's convert them in decimal so that we can compare. For comparison, okay, we are converting these are numbers in decimal. Okay, so
Okay,
that it is easy for us to compare whether which number is least or which number is a more greater or the greatest. So 125 over 100 is equal to 1.25 in decimal. Okay, and the next one is 1 2 by 5. It is in mixed form. So how we will do it? To solve this type of questions, you simply multiply this 5 denominator with this coefficient, 5 multiplied by 1, and then add this 2. 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5, and yes, this 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So you write 7 by 5. Okay.
okay. You said you're converting everyone to decimal?
Yes, so that we can it is easy for us to compare. Okay,
Okay,
because you cannot compare if a number is in percentage or other number is fraction, or it is not easy for you. You can't tell whether which number is smaller or which number is greatest. Okay, so for our convenience, we are just converting all of the numbers in one form. Whether you convert in fraction, decimal, or percentage, so it is easy for us to convert in decimal. It is more
okay,
convenient. Okay. So this is a mixed form, one coefficient to the numerator and five denominator. So how we will solve these type of questions? You simply multiply this coefficient with 5, that is 5 multiplied by 1, 5, and add 2 in it, numerator. That is 7. 7 will be written in the numerator and denominator as it is. And 7 by 5, yes, you need to tell what is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 equals 1.4, isn't it? 1.4. Next one is 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 in decimal, how it is written? 8 by 5 into, yes, it is equal to 1.6. Okay.
okay,
Then you have 1.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. So it means that 1.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. Yes. So 1.2 multiplied by, it means that 1.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 means 10. Okay. And when you
okay.
multiply it, it will be equal to value. So if
Yes,
you see the first pattern, this one A part, I think it is following this rule, which list of numbers is ordered from least to greatest, because this is a least number, then a bit larger 1.4, then a bit more larger, and then the largest. Okay, so I think
wait.
this is
So,
following.
let me see. Oh, okay. Wait, so 1.25, let me highlight the circle diffractions. Decimals, okay. 1.6, and you will multiply 12 by 10 1. Okay. Squared, okay. 1.2.
Okay,
1.2, okay. Wait, I'm writing. Equals 12. So these are numbers from least to greatest.
Okay. So you can see all of the options. Okay. The only option which is I think seems to be correct is this one, A part. Well, it is 1.25 here. Okay, which is the smallest. Then you have 1.45. Oh, sorry, 4. So 1.4 is greater than 1.25. Then you have 1.6. It is greater than 1.4. And at the last you have 12, which is greatest. So option A is the right one. Okay.
Okay. Can you? Okay.
You can also see the other, other options that in the B part you have 1.25, okay, and you have 12 here, the greatest, and then 1.4, so it is not following the least to greatest. The C part you have 12. The C and D part he has written the greatest in the first place, so it can't be possible that obviously we need to write the least number here. Okay, we need to go from the least to the greatest step by step. So both and three options are wrong and one option is correct.
Okay.
You can write it and you can take the one. So that
I have no. Wait. I have one more thing. Can you actually write a note here? No, I think you should write. It's important. You should write convert it to decimals or write a note how you solve this. Yes.
okay.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, this is.
For your convenience, just convert the numbers in decimal so that you can compare so that you can compare easily the numbers.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes. For your convenience, just convert the numbers in decimal so that you can easily compare the numbers and tell which is least number and which is greatest. Okay?
Okay. And one. Okay. So let me snip it now. And one more thing. Also.
Yes.
Wait. Let me snip. Hold on. For question 3. Can you
Yes,
Can you
sir.
go back to question? Yes, sir. Can you go back to question 3?
Okay.
One more thing. Yes.
Yes. This is question number 3.
Can you write down a short note here, like how you solved it?
This is
Yeah.
the formula. Okay? Original price
Yes.
minus price over original price.
Yes, I know. I'm just asking you can write how you did it because I think this is an important question also.
This is important question regarding percentages. Okay?
Okay. Write down. Yes.
The price for change price we will use this formula. Okay? So I'm just indicating it. Original price minus new price over original price. Okay?
Okay. You
It
can
is
just
mentioned what is the percent decrease in the price.
okay. Can you write
Okay?
this? This is
Yes?
a good. So yeah, right here. Just type these numbers. Just type n new minus or you can type new minus odd divided by odd times 100.
Yes,
You
yes.
can
Let me write it here. Okay.
Just type it. You can
Let me erase it so that we have space here. This one. Okay. Price over price minus.
what if you write it new minus old? Well, will new minus old also
No,
work?
no. With you need to see the reference.
But
Let
they
me.
said that, but in your notes said that you should do it new minus old divided by old times 100.
It depends which you reference. For example, in this question, your reference is this one. The average price of a gallon of a gas was $3.20. Okay, in 2014 and 2.40 in 2015. So, what is the percent decrease in the price of gas? So, this is your first price. So, this is your reference price, isn't it?
Yes.
So, with this price, you need to tell the percentage, change in price. Okay. So, that is obviously your old price, and next one is new price. So that's why you
Wait,
will
let
do
me
this like,
see.
okay, old price
What?
minus old price minus new price over old price. Price. And you will multiply it by 100 if you want to do it in percentage. Okay, obviously multiply by 100.
How come
Okay.
it's not new minus old divided by old times 100? Can you tell me again?
If the question was like they have given you the some numbers. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay. I am telling you that this is your reference. You need to see the reference value. Okay, with this value you are comparing. Whatever the value is, you will use this. Okay, for example, in this question the reference is $3.2. This is your first value. The initial price was $3.2 in 2014. Okay, so and then it decreases to $2.4. Okay, so initial price was $3.2. So with this price you are checking the difference. So that's why you will write it first. Difference: old price minus new price over old price.
Okay.
Okay. Old price was obviously this one, your $3.20. Then new price 2.40 divided by 3.2. Okay. Old price. Then you have this value. So when you have this percentage decrease, it means that by 25% your value is decreased. Okay.
Okay.
If you just take the 25% of $3.2, then you can also verify your uh, steps. Okay,
Okay.
dollar 25% of $3.2 will be equal to 2.4.
Okay.
Let me show you 25%. 25% of $3.2. 25 by 100 multiplied by 3.2. Okay, so it will be obviously 1 by 4. 1 by 4 multiplied by 3.2. Yes, simplify it.
Which formula are you using? That nu minus O divided by O times
I
100?
am just verifying you this step.
Yes, but tell me, which one are you using? That one? You're using that one?
Yes.
Which one are you using? Are you using that one I told you? No minus O, you're testing that one? Or you're using the other one you wrote for this one?
I mean, your formula is this: original price minus new or original price, or old price minus new price or old price. Okay,
Okay.
this multiplied by 100.
So the work that is what you're ready you wrote down here? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you wrote okay. Let me try.
So this amount is decreased. It is equal to zero point 0.8. So if you subtract zero point 0.8 from your 3.2, then you will have this value $2.4. Okay. This is your formula. Just remember it whenever you are doing this type of questions. Always the main use the reference, you know, the reference value in the first place. For example, in this you have reference value $3.2. You write it here always, and also it will be written in the denominator value. The other value will be written next, like this price, new price. Just remember this. Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Yes. So let me step.
Okay. This black is the solution, and this is the formulas, and this is the rough work.
Okay.
Done.
So wait, you are when you did 25% of 320, you are multiplying the 25%. You are doing you were getting, so you got the answer 25% and you did that 25% of $3.20. Did you do?
I'm just showing you the verification that this solution is the right one,
So
because
so you further solved it. You did 25% of $3.20. That
yes,
is
25% of $3.2 is equal to zero point 0.8. So it means that zero point 0.8 is the value by how the price is decreased. So if you obviously uh, decrease zero point 0.8 from 3.2, okay, you will be
so
having
you
this value.
so you basically use create 25. You basically get 25% of $3.20.
Yes, 25% of dollar 3.20, $3.20. You
Okay.
can see 3.2 minus zero point 0.8 equals to 12.8, that is 4, and that is 2.4. That is your price. So I've just verified you our solution. You are getting this new price, dollar 2.4. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Yes.
Oh yes, let's
Next question is, I think we have also done this fourth one. Now we have question number 5. Let's do question number 5 here. Find the perimeter of the trapezoid below. Okay. So find the perimeter of the trapezoid below. So perimeter, obviously perimeter is the exterior measure. of
Yes.
okay. So first of all, you need you have, let me write it here. You can say that perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. This is a simple definition of perimeter.
Okay.
Clear? Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. So this is a shape. So what will the perimeter? Obviously, perimeter will be this one. Distance, distance around the edge of a shape. So
Okay.
from this to this one. So perimeter is the exterior measure, obviously, and area is, area is the interior measure. Clear?
Yes.
So for finding the perimeter, just add all of these, values. The so you have 15 inch here, 12 inch here, and you have 4 here. Okay. So and we don't know this. What is the value of this one? Okay. So what
Yeah.
we do? We okay. Right.
Okay.
Just a minute. So we need to find the missing length first of all. Okay. So you can just draw a line here. You can see this is becoming a triangle, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So and this length is 4 inch uphill here. Okay. And this complete is 12 inch, isn't it?
Yes.
Making sense?
Yes.
Yes. So this is 4 and this is 12. So obviously how much it will be? It will be 12 minus 4, isn't it?
Yes.
It will be 12 minus 4 inch. That will be 8 inch. Okay.
Okay.
8 inch. Yes. This part okay will be 8 inch. Now you have 8 inch this one, and you can see this 15 inch and this is the same. So this is also 15, and we need to know this length now. This slanting, it is, now you can see this shape is a triangle, and triangle has base, altitude, perpendicular, or hypotenuse. So we need to find the hypotenuse. So by Pythagorean theorem you can find it, isn't it?
Yes.
By Pythagorean theorem, by Pythagorean, you have this square, okay, this square plus altitude square, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the problem actually. So we can also label it like as C, and okay, we can label it as hypotenuse as C. Okay, C, base as A, and this as altitude B. So it will be written as C square is equal to base is A square, okay, and altitude is B square.
Yes.
So just put the values that we have. So A square,
So basically, you did a square. Okay.
A square is here 8.
Wait. So you're
8 is,
basically doing. Are you basically doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared?
yes, yes, obviously. So this 15 is altitude is 15.
I'm-
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, Sean. Sorry, Sean, that I just went to other room. The kids were just, I don't know, they were sleeping first, but all of a sudden they wake up. Okay.
okay.
Oh, sorry for that.
Oh, okay.
So we were
Oh, I'm too
is
confused actually. No,
oh no,
this is very
I will
confusing.
no, it is not confusing. I will give you a review of it. Don't worry, you will understand, inshallah. This is the same question that we were doing previously. Okay.
Okay, but it's the opposite, so then it confused me. I thought you
Oh,
were using
okay,
a
okay.
squared.
Let me write it this one. The order does not matter. If you want to write like base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square, it is fine. Okay, you can write
Oh,
that.
but
Let me
it's
write it.
confusing. No, but it's
Oh,
confusing for me. Oh, yes.
okay, okay. Don't worry. I just write it as a square plus b square is equal to c square. You know this.
Yes.
So this is a Pythagorean theorem. Write it. A square plus b square is equal to c square. Fine.
Yes.
Now obviously
Can you
you
remove
know.
that hypotenuse equals base, or you can write?
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay. C equals inch D
Fine
to
now. Base plus altitude is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay.
okay.
A square plus b square to c square. So obviously the c is our unknown value. Just put the available data. So what is a value of a here? Tell me.
Wait. Okay. So C will be the. Let me see. Um.
Yes. Just tell me the available data. What is the value of a?
The value of A is 12 inch.
No, no.
But the A is 12 inch. Wait. Let me see.
A is not 12 inch. A is only this part. This part.
What?
Okay.
Oh.
This is 8 inch. 12 inch is complete.
Yes.
Please. Okay, just try
Oh.
to focus.
How come you're so wait, so you're
This is
finding
12
that
meters.
doing it you're finding okay. So you're finding part of that trapezoid using the right triangle formula?
Yes, I have divided a trapezoid in rectangle and triangle because we
Yes.
don't have the other side. Basically, our purpose is to find the perimeter of a trapezoid, but we don't have this side. Okay, and the perimeter of
Yes.
trapezoid is defined by perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape, means that you will need to add all of the shapes. Sorry, sides or edges.
Okay.
So this edge or side is missing. Obviously, we need to find it. So how will we find it? For finding this missing length, we are doing this. I have drawn a line here, so it is making a rectangle on the left side and triangle on the right side, and this length is equal to the this length 15 inch, so it is 15 inch, and it is this is again we don't know this, but we can find its value by judging that this is 4 inch here, this completes is 12, so obviously 12 minus 4 will be the length of this side, so this is 8. Okay, now we are
Yes.
left with this c that is hypotenuse length, so we will find it by using this Pythagorean theorem. So that is how we are doing the thing, working here. Okay,
Okay.
so a square a square means sorry a square means here that we will yes 8 square. B square means plus 15 inch. Okay, 15 square, clear, is
Okay.
equal to C square. Just do it. 8 square is 64 and 15 square equals,
Okay.
tell me, 15 multiplied by 15.
Okay. Yes. So wait, let me solve this. Hold on.
Yes,
Um,
tell me
give me
15
one.
multiplied by 15 or
Yes.
15
Yes.
square
Wait.
equals
Yes. Give me 1 minute. Hold on. B is 15 inch. 15 inch. Okay. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 8 squared plus 15 squared equals what squared c squared equals what? Okay. Yes, equals c squared. Okay. 8 squared is 64. 15 squared 225.
yes,
64 plus 225. Let me see.
225. Okay, very good. Is equal to C square. Okay,
Okay.
now this 64 plus 225, add them.
289 equals
289. Very good. 289 is equal to c square. Now we need to find the value of c. Okay, so this is square. So what we'll do, obviously, we will take square root, isn't it?
yes.
Right, taking square root, then it will be like this one, square root or under root 289 c square. Yes, so square root 289 equals,
Let me see.
yes, yes,
17.
Shanu. Yes, Sean, that is 17.
Oh,
C is equal to 17.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, what were you
Also,
saying about something?
write it. Let me do this thing. Now, just a minute.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Yes, sir.
So C is equal to 17. Okay. So we have found the value of the missing side, that is 17. C is equal to 17 inch. Obviously, you know the unit which is used here is inch, so it is 17 inch. You can write IN here, 17 inch. Now our main question was to find the perimeter of the trapezoid. Okay. So we have found this side. Okay. So perimeter trapezoid is distance around the edge of the shape. Just add all of these sides. Okay. So we will find the perimeter of trapezoid. Let me write it. Perimeter of trapezoid is equal to 4 plus 17 plus 12 plus 15. Okay.
Okay.
And you just add them together. 4 plus 17 is 21. Okay. 12 plus 15 is 27. 21 and 27. 1 and 7. 1 7 equals 8. 2 and 2 4. So inch. Okay. This. So 48 inch is your answer. So I think there is also a 48 inch at the end. Yes. So this is your answer. You can tell me if you don't understand something, and you can take picture of it. Let me bring it to the full screen. This is 17 inch. Okay, don't read it as like ln, or it is like inch. Okay.
Okay.
Let me clear it. Inch. View full screen. You can take a screenshot here, and you can ask me if you have any trouble in understanding something. Okay,
Can
just
you
write it.
can you write a note what you how did you what is this?
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
can you write a note here? Can you write a note here on how you did this problem? Just write a short note.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me write it somewhere. I think I should write it here. Oh, sorry. Okay. One. Perimeter is find the missing side. Okay.
Okay.
By dividing trapezoid into figures, that is rectangle and triangle. The missing side is angle hypotenuse. Okay.
Okay.
Use Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side.
Yes.
Add add or sum the all the values of period lengths to find the perimeter of.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Two. This step 3. Clear?
Yes.
Pythagorean theorem.
Yes.
Okay. So find the missing side by dividing trapezoid into two figures, that is rectangle and triangle. The missing side is triangle separated. Use Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. After that, add or sum all the values of exterior lengths. Okay, to find the perimeter of trapezoid. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
You can also take picture or write, and then we can move forward to next question. Please do it quickly.
Okay. So next question.
So should I move forward? Next question. Okay. Question number 6. This one.
Audio capture.
Question number 6. Number 6. A semicircle with a diameter of 14 feet and a triangle make up the figure below. Okay. So there is a semicircle and a triangle making up the figure. And find the approximate area. Use 3.14 for pi. Clear?
Yes.
So okay, so you can see that there is a semicircle here. This is a semicircle, isn't it? Clear? This is a semicircle, and the diameter of semicircle is this one. The diameter is, yes, diameter is this one, isn't it? Diameter with the diameter of 14 feet. 14 feet is the diameter. You can write it there. That 14 feet. Okay. And a triangle make up the figure below. So this is a triangle. Okay. And triangle is this one. Two triangles you can see there. Find approximate area. We need to find all of this area. Okay. We need to find all of the area. So first of all, what you will do, you will uh, you will find the missing sides, and then you will apply the formula of semicircle and triangle.
Okay, can you actually can you restart doing this problem? Can you start from beginning out? So there was a audio. Yes.
Yes, I was saying that In this question it is mentioned that a semicircle with a diameter of 14 feet and a triangle make up the figure below. Means this semicircle is this one and triangle is this one. Okay, so these two figures make up the complete diagram, and the parameters that are mentioned are diameter is 14 feet, diameter obviously is this one, isn't it? This complete length. Okay,
Yes.
so we write it here as 14 feet diameter. Okay, and this is the basically yes, we need to find area of both triangle and semicircle, and then we will add them. Okay, to find the area of the complete figure. Clear?
Yes.
So first of all, you will write the formula for area of semicircle and area for triangle. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So let me write it. Area of triangle equal to, yes, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 b into h. Okay, you remember it?
Yes.
1 by 2 b into h,
14 feet.
where b is obviously the base and h is height. Okay,
Okay.
so write it here as b is equal to base, h is equal to height. Okay, so and area of semicircle is, let me write it here. Okay, area of semicircle equal to, we know area of circle is pi r square, so obviously the semicircle means divided by 2, isn't it? So pi r
Yes.
square divided by 2, this is the area of semicircle. Clear?
Base and side.
Circle is pi r square and semicircle is obviously the half of the complete circle, so just divide it by 2, then this is a formula for area of semicircle. Okay, pi r square by 2. Now we need to have these values pi and r. So pi is mentioned here, that we have the value of pi here is 3.14. You can see it is written in the bracket.
Area of semicircle, you're using that?
Yes,
Semicircle? Okay.
yes, because it is a semicircle, not a complete circle. Okay, for example, let me tell you,
But there's no
this is a complete circle.
semicircle thing in my. It is not mentioning in the formula sheet provided by the teacher. She did not mention that here. Yes.
The formula for semicircle is pi r square by 2. Maybe she will forget that, but it is the formula for semicircle. The formula for circle is pi r square.
Yeah, but is
Let
this a
me
semicircle or is this a circle? This thing.
please try to understand. This is a pi r square is the area of circle. Okay, so semicircle is half of the circle, isn't it?
Yes.
Is it or not?
Yes.
Semicircle is half the circle. So the formula for circle is pi r square, and semicircle is half of the circle. So obviously the formula for semicircle will be the one by the half of the area. So
Okay.
that's why pi r square by 2. This is the formula. Okay. If it is not mentioned, it's not a big deal. Maybe it should be mentioned that area of a circle. You can see it. It should be mentioned a pi r square in your formula sheet.
Fire
You
squared.
can see pi r square circle is mentioned. I think it would be mentioned.
Yes,
It's not.
yeah, pi r
Yes.
squared is there, but it's not. There's no divided by 2. Yes. Semicircle.
Circle. A circle's area formula is pi r square.
Yes.
In
That is
our
fine.
question, the scenario is semicircle. Semicircle means that a circle is divided into two parts. So when circle is divided into two parts, obviously the formula will also be divided by two.
Okay.
So one semicircle is half of the circle, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
So just try to
Okay.
understand this. So half multiplied by pi r
Why
square.
not put it in there? Let me. Okay. Yes. Wait.
Just
Hold on.
try to
Let me
understand.
see this. Let me see this.
Okay.
This maybe has semicircle formula.
Okay, you just forget if it is not mentioned, forget it. Just try to understand what I am telling you.
Okay.
Okay.
P equals A B. Wait. What? Oh. This is. This is weird. They don't have it in any of the sheet. Okay. That's just. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. So the area of semicircle is equal to.
Yes,
Okay.
pi r square by 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let me write next information data. So pi is 3.14 as it is mentioned. Okay. And
Okay.
radius is, radius is d by 2. Okay. Half of the diameter, isn't it?
Yes.
So, and diameter is given. So radius will be up till here. Okay. Diameter is 14. So radius will be 14 by 2, isn't it?
Yes.
You know this concept?
Wait.
You have,
So the radius
you have
is
yes, yes. Ask.
okay.
Yes, you can ask me.
Yes, sir. So you found the radius is 7?
Yes, because
Well, can you
radius
just
is
can
half
you
of the diameter.
yes, can't you just do the diameter of squared pi diameter squared?
Yes, we can also do that. Area of
Oh,
circle pi r square. Okay, so we can also write it as uh, pi d. Okay,
oh, okay.
so that will be in.
Hello? Oh, are you there? Hello?
Okay,
Oh,
in this in
oh,
this in
you
this question we are
oh,
finding the area basically. Yes,
okay.
this
Yes,
question
what were you
we are
saying
finding
before?
the area.
Okay. Yes, you were saying something before I could not
I
hear
was
you.
telling you that
Mute. Yes.
yes,
Can you hear
I
me?
was
Hello?
telling you that I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Oh,
Yes, I was saying that you are saying that I need to, if I write a d in place of r, that could happen in circumference thing, because
oh,
in circumference you have 2 pi r, so you can write pi d. Okay, there's a difference between circumference and area. Please try not to mix them.
okay.
Circumference is 2 pi r, and 2 pi r you can also write it as pi d. Okay, d
Okay.
is replacing the 2r.
So
Okay,
pi d is for circumference and pi r is for area?
area formula is pi r square.
Okay.
Square is present in an area. Pi r square, and in this question we have semicircle, so that's why we divided by 2.
So that and how about so if you were doing it the circumference it will be pi d
Yes,
square?
yes, yes.
Okay.
If we are doing the circumference is basically the perimeter. Circumference is basically the exterior measure. Okay, let me
So it's basically the perimeter
again tell you
of the
again tell
object?
you.
Yeah, okay.
Just try to listen this. This
Alright.
inside thing is area. Okay,
Yes.
and this is called pi r square. Okay,
Circumference.
and
Yes.
circumference is, let me, I am coming it.
Yeah.
Circumference is this one, the outer measure. Okay, outer. It is
Okay.
not inside, and its formula is 2 pi r. Okay, and I am telling you, you can write this because it is 2 and r. You can replace it by d. You can write it pi d, but it is circumference, not area. Just telling you this. Okay,
Okay.
this is circumference or perimeter. For area, you will use this formula pi r square. And
Okay.
since we have the in the our question we have semicircle, the circle is divided into two. A semicircle is half of the complete circle, so you divide by 2 for semicircle. So that's what I have written here.
Okay.
Got it or not?
Yes, yes. Okay. So
Okay, good.
circumference is the distance around the circle.
Yes, basically the perimeter. You can also
Okay.
say that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so that means that let me see. Okay, so
Yeah.
yes. Okay, oh wait, let me see. Yes. So wait, the radius is 7.
Radius is 7 feet now. Okay. Because
Okay.
diameter was 14 feet, so radius is obviously the half of the diameter, isn't it? For
Yes.
example, this diameter is a complete, so this is a radius r, and this is r, and this complete line is making the
Pi r squared too.
diameter. This is diameter. Okay.
Okay.
This is 14 feet, so radius is d by 2.
Yes.
14 by 2, 7 feet. Okay, let's do
R
our.
squared divided by 2. Okay. So then
Okay,
divided by 2. So radius is
7 feet.
yes, I know.
Okay, let me write the next solution here.
Oh, next
Okay,
radius equals 3 divided by 2.
okay.
Okay.
So now pi r square by 2. Let us find this. Uh, Let us put these values r of and pi in this to find the area of semicircle. Okay. So pi value is 3.14 and r value is now 7, isn't it?
Yes.
So 7 square divided by 2 is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 7 square. So 3.14 multiplied by 7 square, it will be equal to 49, isn't it?
Okay.
7 7 is 49. Now simplified. 3.14 multiplied by 49.
Um, you want for multiplied by 7. Wait, so you are doing the area of the triangle right now? It's 3.14 times 7
No,
squared.
area
Okay.
of semicircle. What happened, John? Area
Oh,
of semicircle doing, okay?
oh, okay, guys. So,
Yes.
you had radius is equal to divide. Oh, okay, yes. So, 3.14 times 7 squared equals. This is 2 feet.
76.93. And obviously, you know that there is a formula for area and the unit is square, isn't it?
Yes.
So it will be unit will be feet square. Why it is feet square? Let me tell you. Because this 3.14, okay, this 7 is feet and it is square. So 49 and feet square will be written here. So ft square. That's why. So 76.93 is the area of the semicircle. Now we need to find the area of a triangle and then we will add both of the areas to find the area of the complete figure, isn't it?
Wait, yes. Okay, so so the area of semicircle is this work? This 3.14 times 7 squared equal to divide by 2?
Yes,
Okay.
because this is the formula of area of semicircle. Just
Oh,
write it somewhere in your rough copy or your work so that you can remember. And always remember, area of circle is pi r square, but area of semicircle, obviously circle is divided into two halves, okay, and one half is the, it is half of the complete circle, so formula will also be the half. Simple logic. Pi r square by 2. area of semicircle. Okay.
76.93. Yes. Okay.
Feet square. Also,
Yes.
don't forget to write the units. It has also marks. By the way, in SOL you have the MCQs, but when you have long questions, or short questions, you should remember. Okay, now we need to find the area of triangle. So for area of triangle, we need to obviously find put the formula for area of triangle. Okay. So area
Okay.
of triangle formula. Let me write it here. Area of triangle is equal to
Okay.
1/2 b into h. Bh. So 1/2 base is, this is the base now, isn't it?
Yes.
Base is 14. Yes, one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Base is 14, and height is also given here. You can see this is the height. That is 24.
So area of triangle equals 1/2. Yes. So that is one
So
half.
just simplify it. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are, okay, and 7 multiplied by 24. It equals 7 multiplied by 24. It equals 168. So area of triangle is 168,
I'm a
and right here.
why did we need to find the formula of the semicircle? Why did we need to find the area of the semicircle?
Sorry, I didn't understand what you're saying.
Why did we need to find the area of the semicircle?
We need to find the area of semicircle because this is a complete figure. We need to find this area of the complete figure. Okay, but we don't have parameters to find out. So that's why we divided this figure into two parts. One is semicircle, other is triangle. We have proper formulas for semicircle and triangle area formulas. Okay, we will calculate them area separately and then add them. Obviously, when you add them, that will be the area of the complete figure. Without dividing, we can't find the area because we don't have a we don't have a have any formula for this. Okay,
Okay.
we have formulas for area of a triangle, rectangle, square, semicircle, etc. But if you say that if someone if some person says that just try to find the area of this figure without dividing it, then how can you tell? You can't tell because this
Yes.
is not a proper figure. Obviously we are finding the area of a triangle and the circle because we have the formulas, the area of triangle, circle, square. We have formed proper formulas for that. Do we have any formula for this figure? Tell me. Area of, if someone says find the area of this figure,
Yes.
do you have any formula for this?
No.
Obviously no. So that's why we will divide it into into two figures so that we have proper formulas for the shapes that is mentioned. Now semicircle area is mentioned, formula given, rectangle area is given. So obviously we will find individual areas and we will add them. When we add them, that will be
Okay.
the area of the complete figure. Got it?
Yes. Wait. So. Oh yes. So it's 1/2 times 14 times 24. Yes. Okay.
Yes, 1/2 times 14 times 24, and that is equal to 168 feet square.
168. Yes. Okay. So.
Now you need to add both of them. Okay.
Okay.
You need to add the area of, let me write, I think there is very limited space. Okay, let me write it. Now
Okay.
area of figure will be equal to, I think I can write here, area of figure is equal to area of triangle plus area of semicircle, isn't it?
Yes.
Like this. So area of figure is equal to area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? Can be
168.
yes, area of triangle 168 feet square. 168 ft plus area of semicircle. Tell me.
168 plus, okay. Yes, 168 plus 76.93.
76.93, and that is also feet square. Okay, don't forget to write the units. So let me write it feet square here. Feet square. Okay, feet square. Just add them. Tell me what
Okay.
you would. Add them.
Yes, okay, so 76.93. Let me see. 243.93. Okay.
240.
4.93.
44.93. Okay. So that is the area of figure 244.93 feet square. And what is that option? It is obviously the option of A option here. Okay.
Okay.
So this is your right answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, okay. 244.93 feet square.
Yes, 244.93.
Okay.
So A part is your right answer. Okay. A blue 244.93 feet square.
Yes, I know. Okay.
Okay, just to take a screenshot and flip it. Okay, done.
No, almost. Okay, so
Okay, done.
okay. Yeah, so
Okay.
254.93 feet squared is the answer for the thing. Okay.
Yes, this is the area of the figure. Find
Yes.
approximate area. This is approximate area. Okay, of this figure, and we find it followed by separating this figure into two parts: triangle and semicircle, because we have formulas for their area. Okay, finding individual areas of semicircle and triangle, then adding them will result in the area of the figure. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so sixth question is done. So let me move forward towards this question number 7 here.
Okay.
Okay. This is question number 7. Question number 7. Oh, can please. Okay.
Oh,
Question number 7. This is
oh,
the
here.
question number 7. This one.
Oh, oh, I didn't make any sound. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Sorry, Yon.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is the question number 7. So the height of a cylinder is 16 meters. Okay. If the
Yes.
diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, find the approximate volume. Use 3.14 for pi. Okay. So height of a cylinder. Cylinder is this type. Remember? Cylinder.
Yes.
This type of things. This type. This is called a cylinder. We have this. We have also done questions
No.
for.
2-4.
Okay.
2-4. Oh, 2-0. PH.
Done. This is a
Yes.
cylinder. Okay.
Yes.
So he has asked the volume. Find approximate volumes. Now we need to to know the volume of the cylinder.
Okay.
Okay. So volume of cylinder formula. Tell me, will you be given formula sheet for this?
Oh, I think so. Yes, I
Okay.
got it. Oh, that's such a sure.
Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. You need to cram or you need to just remember the formulas. I think the formula should be given. I don't know.
Yes.
You can ask your teacher. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
I'll ask her. Yes.
So by the way, what formulas were given in your quizzes test or not in class test?
I think so. Yes.
Yes. So it will be given in your exam also, but you can confirm it. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to find the volume, find the approximate volume. Volume of cylinder. First of all, we write the formula here. Volume cylinder is V is equal to pi r square h. Okay.
Okay.
We'll write it as V is equal to pi r square h. Okay.
Okay.
So pi value is 3.14. It is mentioned, and we need to find the value of r. So radius or diameter should be given so that we can find the value for r. If the diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, okay. So what is the height? Height is 16 meters. Okay. So this is the diameter, for example. This is the diameter. Let's suppose, okay, it is not given. You can
Yes.
write it as d diameter, and
Yes.
height is obviously given as how many? 16 meters. Okay, 16 meters, 16 m, and diameter is 3/4 of its height. 3/4 means 3 multiplied by 4 of height. Height is 16. So this is the diameter. Okay.
Yes.
So 3/4 of height simplified. 4 1 is a 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. So 12 is basically the diameter. 12 meter. You can write it as 12 meter. If 12 meter is the diameter, then radius will be obviously 12 by 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Making sense?
Okay.
12 by 2 is equal to 6 meter, it is radius. So we can plug it here. So that will be 6 square multiplied by h. Obviously h is given. Height is 16 meters. Okay, 16. Just simplified.
Okay. 16 diameter is D. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me see. What? Yes.
Yes.
I need help. Can you explain again what you did after what you did? Oh yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, so you can ask me from where you are not getting.
Oh yes. So
Just tell me how much you have understood this. Till which step you have understood and
oh I
how
did
many
not
things.
notice. Well, I did not remember anything from this.
Okay,
Yes.
I repeat it.
Oh, you
First of all,
repeated.
yes, I repeat all the steps.
Oh.
First of all, read this question carefully. The height of a cylinder is 16 meters. Okay. If the diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, find the approximate volume. So you need to find the volume. Okay, and the obviously the picture is the shape is cylinder. So you need to put the formula of volume cylinder, isn't it? That's the first step. So volume of cylinder is equal to V is equal to pi r square h. Okay, and now you can see the available data is you have the value of pi 3.14, but you don't have the value of r. Okay, up till now, and you
Okay.
have the value of h height, that is 16 meters. Okay.
Yes.
Now you need to find the volume, the value of r, that is radius. Okay. For radius, there should be, if in the question radius is mentioned or if it is not mentioned, then diameter should be mentioned so that we can divide it by 2 to find the radius, isn't it?
Yes.
But if you read the question, if the diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, it is again a bit of, not straightforward. It just told us that diameter is 3/4 its height. So we make a equation, okay, 3/4 of height. Height is 16, isn't it?
Yes.
3/4, 3 by 4 multiplied by 16, it will be equal to 12 meter. Clear?
Yes.
So now this 12 meter is the diameter, isn't it?
Yes.
Got it or not?
Okay.
12 meter is the diameter, but we need to insert the radius in this formula. So, and we also know that radius is equal to d by 2. If you half the diameter, then we can find the radius. So diameter is 12, obviously divided by 2, 12 by 2 is equal to 6 meter. So radius is now 6 meter. Now we have all the values here. Just plug in here 6 square and simplify it. You will find the volume cylinder.
Okay. 3.14 times 6 squared times 16.
Yes. What is the answer?
3.4. Okay. 3.14
Right.
times 6 squared. Oh yes. Times 16. Okay. Oh. 3.14 times 6 squared times 16. 1,000,000 1,008. Oh, sorry.
Yes, yes.
Oh yes. 1,808.64.
1808.64. Also, don't forget to write the units. Unit of
Yes.
volume is
Meter.
meter cube. Okay,
Yes.
meter cube. So 1808. This is 0.64 is this one B part, isn't it?
Yes.
You can see
Wait, I saw you did 3/4 times 16. Oh, 1 times 16 is, I don't know.
B part. B part.
Yes.
1808.64 meter cube. Yes. Ask.
Oh, okay. So yes, 3.14 times 6 squared times 16.
Yes. You have any difficulty or something you don't understand? Just ask me.
Can you write a good note actually? Can you write a note there on how you solve the problem? Like how did you do it? I'm a little bit confused. Just can you
Okay.
type it this? I don't know how you did the 3/4, 3 divided by 4 and divided by 12. Forgot that, yes.
3 divided by 4. Okay. Let me tell you again. If the diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, okay. So it is. He said that this is the diameter, okay. For example, and it is equal
Yes.
to 3/4 of its height. 3 by 4. Clear? Of
Yes.
height. Clear up till here?
Okay.
We just translated this statement into equation. Do you have any difficulty in understanding this step or not? Tell me first. Is it okay?
Yes, it's fine.
We say if the diameter of the cylinder is 3/4 its height, so d is equal to 3/4 of height. If you are okay with this equation, are you understanding this one? Then I can move forward. Tell me.
Yes, I get it.
Okay. So 3/4 of its height. So just plug in the values. We have 3, 4, 3 by 4, and we know of is obviously multiply. Okay. H height is given, that is 16 meters. Okay. Now we need to simplify it. Just simplify it and tell me the answer.
Okay. 3/4 times 16. 3 divided by 4 times 16 is 12.
Is 12. So diameter is equal to 12 meter, isn't it?
Yes.
Got it or not?
Yes.
That's what I have written here. Now you have diameter, but you need to put the value of r here. Obviously, diameter is r. If you divide diameter by 2, you will have the value of radius. So d by 2 is equal to 12 by 2. Okay,
Okay.
and 12 by 2 is equal to 6 meter, isn't it?
Yes.
That's how you got the value of 6 meter, and you plug it here in the formula to
Okay.
find the volume of cylinder. Clear?
So you did d equals 3 divided by 4. Then you did 3 divided by
Yes.
4. Okay. Equals 3 divided by 4 times 16.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Wait, times height. So then 3 by 4 times 16
Yes.
equals 3 divided by 4 times 16. That is 12.
Yes. Right. 12.
Okay. 12 divided by 2 equals 6.
That is radius.
Oh, yes.
And now we will put that radius value in our volume cylinder formula.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we should not forget the next question. It's number 8.
Oh,
I think you can do this.
this. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I was saying that,
Yes. Yes.
okay. Wait, let me see. Can we do it can we do it tomorrow?
Okay. Question number 8. Okay. Just if you can come in afternoon, you can you can take class at afternoon.
Okay. Oh, wait, yes, I can come in after.
Okay. I'm just turning on recording now. Okay, dear. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, yes.